Hey guys, welcome back to Front Seat Driver. My name is Jason. Today's video is one that I'm very excited about. So I had heard a while back that some companies were coming out with the carbon fiber front trunk trim kit. And so I was like, that would be pretty nice. You guys know I've done a lot of carbon fiber inside and out on my car. And so this is one thing that I've been hearing about that I was pretty excited. I couldn't wait for it. And the other day I was on the EOS Extreme online store website. And lo and behold, under the C8 section of it, page 8 it was. There it was in all its glory. And I was like, time to order. So that's what we're going to be doing today. And this is one, again, like I said, this is something that I've been very excited about. So I'm ready to go downstairs and get it installed. So let's go do that right now. So I want to show you exactly what you get in this kit. Now, it does have 3 sections. There's technically 4 pieces, but you have the front piece that goes along the front right here. Then you have 2 side sections right here, and then you have the rear area in the back to complete the carbon fiber trim kit. And I wanted to show you, this is legit carbon fiber through and through. It's not hydrocarbon, it's not dipped, which, you know, either way, that's your call, but this is legit carbon fiber, and it's also not a layover. It is actual pieces. Now, one thing I did want to show you before we get started, I was looking at this. So you have these clips right here that it will be used to install. It'll clip into place. There's little actual clips that go over this, and I know that they're on the car. So we're gonna go ahead, once we start to remove it, we're gonna take them off and we're gonna put them back on here and reuse those. But let's go take a look at the other part now. The steps to removing this is there's a piece right here that we're gonna remove first. There's one of those on each side. Then we will remove the front right here, and then we will remove the back piece, and then we are going to reinstall them in that same order, or the reverse order, I should say. But we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start getting these pulled off, set the camera up, we'll start tearing this thing apart, and then we'll get those installed. As I said before, we're gonna pull off this side and this side first. I'm gonna pop it, pull it out. So there we go. And here's our little push pin things that we're going to keep. So we're going to install these on the other carbon fiber pieces. Now to get the other side, the next step, and I actually had this in reverse earlier. I said that this was going to go next and then this piece, but it's actually not. You can see where it sits on top. I'm going to prop that up right here. All right, and we'll do that on this side. But as you see, this sets down on top of that, so obviously this is the direction it has to go. Pop that out. Pull this off, and there we go. Last step is going to be to pull this part out right here. And all done. All right, so as you can see, we've put all the pins back in place. We did that on all 3, well, technically 4 different pieces. We're going to go ahead and get everything reinstalled. Installing the next section right here. To lift this up, I found. right, that is going to do it. See what it looks like right here. Give you some up close. Man, I think it makes a huge difference. Check that out. But again, you guys know how I feel about carbon fiber. I am a huge fan. But that's going to do it. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great week.